All right, I know it's not me you're seeing on here, but we've got the new XRT.
The XRT here, I'm Brian. I'm here at PDRC out here in Florence. We're going to do the unboxing of the XRT.
Here you go.
Take a look at this. So before we unbox it, we'll take a look at a couple of things on the outside. So you can see here, the XRT comes in 4 different colors. You got it in the blue, the green, the red, and the orange. For today, we got the blue here.
And this is the first delivery.
First delivery, so this is the first time we're seeing it in person. So you're gonna, come on the journey with us.
Yep. Now this one comes out on Friday, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it today.
Let's see. Cut the tape here. We got it right side up too.
Nice.
There we go.
All right.
Here it comes. And of course the tires do not come on this one. The tires come separated from the truck, so it cuts some of the packing.
All right, I wonder if they got the suspension zipped in it too.
So we have the radio here. It's your standard Traxxas TQI radio. It does not come with the Bluetooth module. That is an optional accessory I think you can get though.
Mm-hmm. Alrighty.
All right. So on this truck, it's supposed to have the new quick releases on it, so it doesn't have like the X-Max used to have with the release on the back, but it's more like a sledge but on 4 corners. So I'll pop it here, and the body comes right off.
Nice.
Oh, that blue is awesome. Check out the metallic flake if you can see that. It's kind of got
wow.
the metallic flake in the paint there.
Yeah, they did a good job on the paint.
Now on this truck, you have air intakes in here that are integrated into the actual plastic shell on the body too, so that you're getting good airflow and to cool down the motor and the ESC inside.
Wow.
And you can see on the bottom here, you can see those quick releases that Traxxas has here now. Now these quick releases are actually made so that they tighten up as they pull, so this body should not come off when we're bashing it.
Nice.
You can see on here we have the Millennium system on here. The VXL 8S system. This is an 8S vehicle. It has the same electronics as the X-Max. This should be a 1260 kV motor on it, but we do have a new cooling solution here with dual fans on a much larger heat sink than what's been on the trucks before. And I do believe the stock gearing on this is set at 2050.
Nice.
The battery hold downs in here, they open the opposite direction. And they did carry over some of the things like on the sledge where you can put body pins in order to lock those in so the batteries won't fly out.
Nice.
Everything from pretty much the arms out is from a carryover from the X-Max. This is the X-Max wide kit though, that you can get as an option for the X-Max, but it comes stock on the XRT. These are some updated hubs. These are also backwards compatible, so you can also get these parts and put them on your X-Max as well. Aside from that, the shocks are a little bit different. They're a little bit shorter just because this is an LCG truck, or a low center of gravity truck, so the shocks are a little bit shorter. But take note of the springs. They're a little bit thicker in diameter on the springs, and that's to give it a little bit more, because the shocks are a little bit shorter.
Nice.
If we take a look at the bottom. So on the bottom here, you'll see that this is a flat chassis. Unlike the X-Max where it has that C chassis on it, it's very flat all the way across the bottom. Should make for a lot of good turning with that low center of gravity. Also on the back, you can see we have this nice rigid wing. It's got several mounting points in the back that should be really sturdy. We shouldn't have to worry about breaking that, and of course Traxxas plastic is always good.
Yeah, they did a really good job on these points. It's got different pinch points on it right there for stress. Looks like it's got a good connection on the riser, and the way they got it set up with the angles on it, it should be able to take a really, really strong hit. Let's see. Looks pretty good.
We also should have some mounting points, I'm assuming, here for some light kits in the future.
Yep, you can actually see the screw points right back there.
We should be able to put some lights on this in the future as well.
Nice. Now,
Let's
take a look at those tires.
these tires. Now these are those new, I think they're Gravitz tires. Thanks, sir.
You're welcome.
So these tires are made to be kind of like an on-road, off-road hybrid. They're supposed to perform really well on the pavement, as well as pretty good on hard or compact surfaces. They're supposed to have a little bit stronger sidewall, and I've heard that they don't balloon as much.
Okay. Yeah, you can actually feel it in the tread. So generally when it's a non-belted tire, I check and see how it's going to hold up over here. It's got a good, decent foam inside. Compound feels really good too. It feels like a harder compound. What would you say? That's like an S6 maybe? Looks like it's pretty good. Not a lot of airflow going through it, so not too much to worry about on the venting side of it. That's pretty cool. And these are rotational, so just kind of bear that in mind when you're actually putting them on the vehicle. They are directional.
So aside from the other tires, the other thing, I'm going to zoom this one. So I'm going to grab this out so I can show y'all.
All right.
So with the tires, of course, you also get your wheel nuts. And then, there's some more hiding in there?
Yeah.
Too. Oh,
They're inside the handle.
But you got your standard wheel nuts to use with it. And of course, they give you a little tool to put them on as well.
Nice.
And then aside from that, you do have your manual, but then you also have the upgraded pinion and spur so that you can get this one, I think it's 60 miles an hour out of the box. So you can take this thing all the way up to 60. And of course, it has your standard Traxxas connectors for use with the 6700 Traxxas batteries.
Very cool.
But yeah, that's the XRT. I'm glad y'all could come along with me on this journey to take a first look at the XRT. And I look forward to not only seeing some videos, but also making some videos with it.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing what you do with this as well. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Probably what we'll do next is maybe shoot a video with it beside the X-Max, and we'll grab mine out of the back, and if you want to do a side-by-side. But for right now, this is the first look and unboxing of Traxxas's brand new truck. Hey, thank you so much. Dude, your knowledge on this is amazing as well.
Appreciate that.
All right, well, thanks for watching, everyone. And this comes out on the 4th. Bye-bye.